Welcome, Invoice Generator. Pay once and use forever. Click Create New and start a new invoice. Enter your client name, phone number, and address. Select your currency. Add item details. Add here product, quantity, and rate. Then click Add. You can edit multiple products. Here you can edit discount, tax rate, shipping charge, and payment status. Then click Generate Invoice, give a proper file name, preview your invoice, and download and share it to your clients. You can see the PDF also in PDF Reader. In History segment, you can see your invoice history. Press on the item and you can edit all the information. You can also update and delete this invoice. You can filter your history to find easily your invoices. You can track paid and unpaid status. Template section, you can get more professional template and you can select the default template. In client section, you edit your client and manage your business easily. Click the item to see client details. You can manage your business information anytime and you can edit a business logo and business authorized signature. Anytime, any moment, you can edit your business information as like your need. Thank you for watching my video and use this app one time and use forever.